All right, everyone. So welcome to today's lesson. We're going to go over a little bit about trend lines and going over some of the reactions to trend lines. So people draw trend lines, obviously, in markets, which is showing points that the market bounces off of. But what people don't realize is when market breaks trends, they actually use the trend then as an opposite of what it is. Basically, think of it in this way. Currently in this market, the trend was bouncing here. It bounced second here, went up, bounced a third time here. Confirmed as a trend, so again, it was a good profit trade up here. But as you see, once it broke, it actually retested for a sell and then retested yet again to drop again. So one of the important things with trends is once you have a trend, once it's become a trend, you could actually use it once it's broken as when to get a good entry point for a reverse trade. Again, depending on how big the trend is, that will determine how much of a reversal it is. But for instance, on this one we just see here, we saw you could have caught a little reversal here of a good, 10 pips or so as well. Right here, if we continue this one right off here, when you saw those dojis, you would have entered another one down there. And you can see this one's still going, but you could have gotten a good 15 pips off of that one. So a little secret for trading trends is when you're looking through it, we'll do another evaluation right here actually for you. Once a trend is broken, see it retests for the drop. And that's a way for you to actually test and get a good entry once your trend is broken and get the reversal of it, is actually looking for that same thing. So here, let's draw another one. You'll see this constantly in the market. Here's another one. See the trend, and then it broke and then reversed and touched it again. You could have gotten an entry for a buy. This trend right here, this is a constant way to basically not analyzing a trend that's sticking, but once the trend breaks, because trends do always break. And when it does, how to react to it. Because see, even if you were, for instance, in a sell here, right, and you have this happen, right, you're in a sell, it broke, and then retraced, you could have exited and had minimal loss right there, right, and then entered for your buy. So use this as a little technique when you're drawing trends or channels. Same thing with a channel, right? Because a trend line is a part of a channel, so it's the same thing if you're drawing it in a channel. You would be able to now analyze not only your entry points, right? You might have entered, here on a channel. When you drew it the first time here and here, right? You might have gotten a buy maybe here on this one, but again, once it broke and retested, you'd be able to now continue on your day and forget about that. But just keep in mind that that trend does stay. See if we can continue this down. Okay, it does stay. So that's a little lesson for today to teach you a little bit extra on trends and how to view once it's broken, what to react and what to do to a trend so you can still get a good position on the market and still trade and get profits. So until next time, have a good day.